Now, nice table attack, dancing, a magic move, pass, time! What a highlights open by Aaron, fly high, Manasala! And the game for the three-pointer, three! Apolinario, ball pass, ito na McManuel, back-to-back, score pass to Dizon drive fly, it's a shot! Garcia for a long distance. Garcia! Kicks out. Rápido por Mento. Rápido por Mento. Divinidad. Stop for the jumper. Daga Divinidad. We have the bola. Hilario. It's a shot time. Hilario Tibajo Collections. Holding. Now. Pass. Salazar for three. Salazar. Three. Ito mag-passer first. Okay, ito mag-passer yung ano natin. Ayaw tumulong. The pick. Bola. Tuna si Manasala. Ang kagurin dunker. Clear pa yun. For a three-point shot. Nugget. Payana inside. Bola palapalpal. Open to rebound now. Tuna atake. Pangilinan. On the dribble pass. Tibajo for three. Tibajo, three. Yes. Ulites. Drives in. Goes up. Yes. Slap up again. Payawan. Payawan now in the traffic for the jumper. El Payawan agad. Free through line. Pasok. Payawan. Score two from the free through line. Querero. Doon na, pinigay. Kay Tibajo na, extra pass. Supalian, pass. Flores, it's a open. It's a shot. Ball movement. Tibajo na na po ng pangilingan. To Flores. Tibajo. Clear Payawan. Down the dribble. Against the three defenders. Manasala. Bang! Aaron Manasala. Rizede. Now clear Payawan. Nakamulang tatlo lang. Aaron. Fly high. Manasala. What a shot by one-handed shot para Manasala. A bonus shot. Score a three-point play. Sa dalagang laman at tabla na. Si Tibajo. Ang Mr. Swabi on the point. Pass to Pailinan. No Guerrero for the pull-up. Guerrero! Angry. Rizede for a three-point shot. Oh! Rizede a surplus three-point shot. Ang bigat doon. Guerrero. Now pass. Flores. On the dribble for the three-pointer. Flores. Three. Then, Payawan. Down the dribble. Payawan. Now pass. Manasala. Floating in the air. Oh, we have a tied. Flores plays up. Now, kicks out. Tibajo for the pull-up. Scores. It's the Swabi Tibajo scores. Lamang sila.
Ay.
Scores. Payawan. Ball a three-point shot. El Payawan. Three. Pangilinan. Now pass. Santos to. Flores kicks out the Tibajo. It's the Swabi. Three. And then yung Tibajo. Payawan. Nakamulang tatlo. Payawan for a back-to-back three-pointer. El Payawan. El Payawan, pull up. El Payawan is not gonna disappear. Laban, ha? The out of line. Score! Wala pa nagmiminti sa ating free throw line. Now the dribble. Pass. Parmento. To Noel Santos. Santos. Puts it up. Noel Santos. Twitial. Dizon. Now. Dizon. Ipit. Nilabas. Polinario. To McManuel. McManuel. Ito na Noel Santos. Ayun o. Dahil bata pala, naglalaro na dito to eh. Dito na siya naging mama. Wow. Dito na siya kinubu 7. Eko on the dribble attacks. Ball of jumper. Eko is not at all. Dizon. Data Noel. San. Rebound. Ito na si Mac Manuel. Lilipat. Mac Manuel. Salazar, ito na ang magpapasimuno. Si Salazar. Pinigay ka na tibigan. Kaya uminit. Now, to Rapido. Porvito. Ito. Now the devil. Ang first quarter. Eko na magsila ha. Apat. Ginawang 5. Dito mag-20 na lawan ang pula. Rapido Porvito. To Salazar. Popit. Rapido Porvito. Hidagit. Rivario Campo. Campo. Ito siya Campo. Dirito tumatalon eh. O, tingnan nyo. Inaangat lang nga. Campo. Batang bata pero tikas. Campo lawag sila ng pito. 7. 10. Firing pass. Porvito for 3. Nugget.
No.
Nabagay ko. Natibigan. Salazar. Dato Porvito. John. One shot. Nagkadil para kay Russia. John Porvito. Taglay. Takamay. Ayan! Gininto ang kamay to si John Porvito. Salazar. Natibigan. It's a shot. Wala point. Movement para sa point. Garcia. Laban Porvito. Garcia para long distance. Garcia. Porvito. Pinto to shoot. Noel Santos at the post. Natibigan na rin. Now. Officer Carl Pancha. Natibigan umikot. Ikot. Walang bola. T-shirt takbuhan para sa bola. Zigzags. Drives in. Goes up. T-shirt para shot. Promotal. Inside to Hilario. Hilario for 2. Impipil Pasay. Si Hilario. Now score. 2-2 from the picture line. On the dribble. Pinaya kay Santos. For the jumper. Nugget. Rebound ito ng atake. Natibigan. Drive. Hang fire. Scores. Dan Natibigan. Now. Presence fired. Eko. Now in trouble. Well pressed. Manansala. It's a showtime. Aaron Manansala fly high. Piniki Salazar. Motol. Kicks out. Rapido Porvito. Rapido Porvito. 3. Labang ng isa lang ang pula. Now, Payuan! Second quarter. Motol! Ano nakabulag na galaw ni Motol? Motol with the rebound. Now to John Porvito. Stops. Attacks. Oh! John Porvito. Isa, Di Pano. Now, nakita si Manuel. Mac Manuel! Pagilinan. Dato Natibigan. Pasok. Danayaw. May foul. 2-2. Squad for Hilario. Impipil Pasay. Partisero. Aparte. Grabe mo sa pagilinan. Payuan na apertin to shoot. Dancing. Pass. Manuel firing. Mac Manuel. Pinigyan ka ng Natibigan. Paligid pagilinan. Bola naman ni Manansala. The high player. The dunker. Balls off. Manansala. Long two. with the rebound pass. Natividad, stop for the jumper. Natividad! 3 seconds. Payawan for the last shot. On the first step. Payawan. Now to Mac Manuel. Mac Manuel! Last 10 seconds. Driving and scoring. Score! Demo! 4, 3, 2. Suave, Flores, Solinero, the sharpshooter, Guerrero! 3! Now, laban kay Salazar, El Payuan, drive, pass, Dizon pulls up, Dizon! Agawan, ang pulo na, yun ang board, isa lang, tatlo na, Dizon, Deberto Pola, Hilario, it's a showtime! Hilario Timaho Collections! 61-59, Payawan, nice dribble move, labang kay Salazar, Payawan dancing, Payawan now, pass, magic pass, Dipano, it's a showtime, Payawan Dipano, what a play, Flores to Timaho, it's a move, it's a offensive foul, Finsi palang tinawag, 1 for technical versus conversion. Shots fired was to go down, shots fired ends. El Payawan, now, nice dribble attack, dancing, a magic move, pass, Payawan is the showtime! What a highlights mo pa rin Payawan, grabe naman. Santos, Noel, Santos Sabronas, Carrera inside, pasa, Timaho, 4 second, Noel, Santos! Ila si Payawan, tabla tayo, Payawan driving magic pass, Tizon! It's a showtime vertical pass to Tizon scores! In and out, nice backs out, ito na Payawan, and the people, ang Magicero, and the showtime! Payawan Tizon connection, pinigay kay Motel, takes out the Santos, inside pass, Santos Noel! Noel Santos! Sarado! Third quarter, Tizon, cross dribble attack! Tizon, fly! Tizon! Abang the ring! Santos, fakes, pass, kicks out, Natividad, now to Timaho scores! Santos, nice dribble to bend the back, driving, and pass, here we go Timaho, one-handed shot Timaho! Give it back in! Payawan, now bounce pass, Santos, now Nikot, Santos malakas, Dipano scores! For the putback! Now, Timaho, it's a shot to Montol! Kicks out, dato Natividad for a 3-point shot! Dahil Natividad, 3! Marisala, nanlami, kailangan umilit muli, Marisala, now pwede siya step back 3-pointer, Aaron Marisala, 3! Grabe naman ito, kaya El Payawan, takbuhan, fly El Payawan, Payawan! Grabe naman! Possibility, Payawan, ayaw na siya El Payawan, kay Mac Manuel, Manasala to El Payo! Manasala matras, for a turnaround, Manasala! Grabe naman yun, Manasala! Palmento laban sa dalawang defenders, Noel, to Motol! And ano si Motol in? Mac Manuel, nagawa ni Palmento John, Palmento drive, hang time, John Palmento, wala hang time para Palmento! Noel! Tonight, bonus free throw. Here comes the nice cross, drive, pulls up, 6 seconds. Sa third quarter, score double tayo. Takes out, pass to Timaho, bounces out and rebound. Tapik, Natividad for the pull up. No good. 5 with the rebound, Motel. Hilario to Parmento for a three-pointer. Chad Parmento! Three tax. Venezuela. Drive. It's a shot on it. Deep. Hilario.
Mamaya, ubus na yan.
23 Hilario now. 89-84. Score! 89-85. Parmento for a three. Nugget. Paywan. He now. 3-on-3. Paywan sprays the wheel. Paywan for the showtime. Walang laman. Nagda-point. Pangilinan. At the treble. Try na kawala. Rinan Pangilinan. Paywan nagkawala ng pack. 8 minuto. Tison! Parmento now. 5 to shoot. Parmento has stable attack. Pulls up. In the foul. Dada si Jack. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Paywan. Dinigitan. Paywan. Now. On the dribble. 15 to shoot. Paywan nakatakas. Put a jumper. Bang! And Paywan strikes again. Parmento. Lawan ng dalawa. 12 to shoot. Parmento 10. Parmento drive. Parmento firing. Parmento score! The fourth quarter. Manasala to Tison! And in the fifth. Yun na si Tison. To Salazar. Noel. Noel. Traveling at tinawag kay Noel Santos. Paywan. Nice dribble move. Paywan. Against the defenders. Panagaw. Noel Santos. Sala. Nalabay Paywan. Santos, Noel. Now, to Salazar for three. Salazar! Three! Paywan. Dead to shoot. Manuel. Now, Salazar nakawala na. Manuel! To Parmento. John. Nice table. Turned around pass. Noel. Inside. Goes up. Nugget. Payane. Tamak Manuel. Attacks. Drives. Manuel. Foul. Manuel for two. Pasok. Mac Manuel. Pasok. Dalawa. Para sa dalawa. Noel Santos. Chan Parmento. Chan to the pill. It's a showtime. And Paywan. Now is in trouble. Against Pangilinan, the defenders. Paywan. Now. At the dribble fire. Paywan. Reserving. Paywan. Score. Nakamulang 5. Ginawa nga pa. Parmento. Nabagay Tison. Parmento dyan. Stops. Turn around. Pass. It's a showtime. Noel. Salazar kicks out. Parmento. Holding. Now. Pass. Salazar for three. Salazar. Three. Inatay ba siya? Fire Salazar. May napag-take na lang time out. Grabe si Salazar. Lamog-lamog na siya. Para siyang manok. Pinik-pinik. Pwede pa. Fail. Paywan score. Baba. Sabi niya kalma. Parmento join. 12 to shoot. Parmento. Nakawala na. It's a showtime. Parmento to Santos. Bola. Ito na si Paywan. Nagkabalang sa po. Paywan. Drive. Flash. No good. Di pa ni Salazar. Salazar ang bottle. Pangilinan. Pormen. Oh, Parmento short move. Oh, magic pass. Noel. To. Pangilinan kicks out. Now to Parmento. Driving. And fake firing. Parmento. Now in the traffic. The 52 seconds. Score the fish at the free throw line. Pasok. Wala na ako hindi paano. Long pass to Mac. Pangilinan. Penalty. Pinita. Siya black no. Pasok. Ito na. Pasok. Salazar for 3. Negative babak Manuel. Kicking. And a sand ball. Red ball. Pinita. Pitulang. Manuel. Payuan. Goes inside. Reverse. The squatter. Payuan. Score. 5. Grabe, tikit lang. And we have a champion, ladies and gentlemen, in the port. In the back-to-back champions of 2025, 111-105, District 2, the port. The champion teams of the District Capital 2025. SS5, their first runner-up. What a game. Awanti po tayo, maya-maya lang ha. Mga players.